when you buy the hosting, right? So what you have to do is, after buying a domain, you just have to log in with your cPanel, right? So what basically come is, let me tell you, I purchased the hosting for this, right? And just here you can see a hosting. I just purchased it, and a free domain you will get, so you can choose any domain, it doesn't matter, it's just for free, and this is for demo purpose only, right? So what you have to do is connect your domain with the hosting, right? Let's suppose you have you want your own domain to get connected with the hosting, right? Because MeTechverse is the free domain that I got while purchasing the hosting. But if I want to connect my own domain, so how you can do it? Let me tell you. So here are the hosting name servers, right? So you have to change the name servers of the domain. So let me go to again GoDaddy, where I purchased a domain, right? But if you got your domain from hosting, you don't have to do this step, right? Okay, you just have to for what you have to do is, let me tell you fast. What you have to do is just click on manage to that domain and just go on auto installer, and you can just install the WordPress, right? But I'm just telling you how you can connect your own domain with the hosting plan. Okay, so first let me go and change the name servers. So for Tech Youth, I'm just changing the name servers. Here is the first name server, here is the second name server, and click on save. Click on continue, right? So it's just set it. Let me refresh it. Right, so the domain name server is changed, and here's the domain name. So what I will do is just go on the domains. You have to go on the hosting, add a website, and here is the domain name. So I will just put the domain name, right? And I will just create a password and just add this website, and it's just successfully connected. Right, here is the Tech Youth. Okay, and now what I will do, I will just go on WordPress. So I will go on auto installer and click on WordPress, and here I will just select the HTTP, and just here are the basic details and a site title. So the title should be Tech Youth, right, and English, and you have to create a database. So just click on new database and again set a same password and turn off the automatic updates and just click on install. It will just take some time. And so let me write. Yeah, so it's connected successfully, right? So this is how you can add your custom domain. Okay, but if you purchase the own domain name, you don't have to add the custom domain. You just have to go on hosting and just click on add website and put that domain name. It will just connect successfully, right?